Reverse cameras in caravans have certainly made life a whole lot easier when we're out on the road. And now the team at NCE have come up with the perfect reverse camera solution for RVs, caravans and large towing vehicles. With a clear, wide-angle view of what's behind you, the wired camera directly sends the live pictures to the dashboard LCD display with minimal interference between the screen and the camera. The enhanced viewing with reverse grid lines provides additional safety to aid with distance. The NCE reverse camera kit comes with all required cables, a suction mount and a dash mount. The cameras are waterproof IP66 rated and are fitted with infrared LEDs for night illumination. They're also shock and vibration resistant, making them suitable for heavy-duty applications such as trucks, buses, RVs and caravans. For any more information on the NCE reverse camera kit or any of the NCE range, just head to nce.com.au.